Hello everyone, this is my review of the Jack Skellington on a Tombstone Inflatable. I already have it inflated here so you can see what it looks like. It has a light inside of it so it can light up at night. It's pretty sturdy. It has a weight on the bottom so when the wind blows it, it will go back to the standing position. So you don't have to worry about it blowing over, so you can see it goes right back up. We're going to take a look at it deflated now. As you can see, it deflates all the way down to the ground. I'm going to show you a little bit in the back of it here now. You see there's the fan. This fan is pretty quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise, and it's pretty powerful. It inflates it real quick. And I'll show you that this is the weight here on the bottom. I like this product, and it looks great in front of the house for decorating for Halloween.